Do our prospects lie to us? Yeah, they do. I hate to be negative, but it's just human nature. Do our prospects withhold information from us? Yeah, they do. Hey, by the way, the other company just has a contract literally on my desk and I'm about to sign it. Do our prospects lie to us? Yes. Do they withhold information from us? Yes. Here's 3 questions. Are you going to be able to eliminate that altogether? No. But these 3 questions, asking these 3 questions are really going to help uncover those times when they're withholding things from you, when they're not being totally honest from you. Question number 1, does all that match what you need, right? When you're reviewing things, let's say you're getting ready to go into a meeting with them and you summarize the situation. Does all of that match what you need? If they're lying to you about something, right? Maybe they're not telling you about a certain requirement they have, or maybe they're not telling you about another competitor they're looking at. When you summarize everything and say, does all of that match what you need? That gives them the opportunity to go, yeah, well, it does. However, we're really gonna need an Android app. And I know that you guys don't have one, and Acme down the road told us that they've got one. By asking, does all of that match what you need, and you're summarizing what's going on, it's going to give them an incredible opportunity to open up to you if they're lying or withholding information. The next question that I want you to ask is, did I miss anything? This is huge. When you put the onus on you and your prospect, a lot of times they're actually feeling a little bit of guilt if they're withholding some information, and you say, did I miss anything? It kind of gives them a get out of jail free card to say, oh, well, you missed the fact that, our credit is really bad, right? That we have couple bankruptcies on our credit report, right? When you frame that in terms of did I miss anything, that person that you're working with, if they're lying or withholding information, they're gonna see that as an opportunity, and more often than not, they're gonna jump on that opportunity to feel better and to unload themselves. I use this one with my kids all the time, right? Anderson, did you clean your room? Yeah, it's all clean. Fantastic, buddy. Thank you so much. Hey, did I miss anything? And then I'm not uncomfortable with the silence, right? I just maintain the silence. And he goes, oh yeah, I put all my stinky hockey equipment under the bed again. Son, let's take the hockey equipment. Remember, it's supposed to go in the garage because your bed is going to smell like a high school locker room, right? Let's take all the hockey equipment from under the bed. Let's put it in the garage, right? When I say, did I miss anything? It gives him he still doesn't understand that it's going on. It gives him a subconscious kind of get out of jail free card. If I said to him, hey, Anderson, you lying about anything? No, Dad, I would never lie to you, right? Now all of a sudden he's going to be defensive. Hey, Anderson, is there anything you're not telling me? No, my room's clean. Hey, Anderson, did I miss anything? Yeah, my hockey equipment's under the bed. They're going to be more likely to tell you that information. So does all that match what you need? Did I miss anything? And then the last question, and this is so important, and so many of us miss this, and we jump into negotiations without asking this last question. I want you to ask all 3 of them before you get into a negotiation setting, but this one's missed more than any of them, and that is, has anything changed since we last spoke? Oftentimes, we are negotiating based on the information that we have from the last time that we spoke. Well, the world did not put itself on pause after that last meeting. Other things have happened. It's so vital for you to check in and say, has anything changed since we last spoke? Yes. We got a quote from Acme. I got to be honest with you, their price is 27% lower, right? Has anything changed since we last spoke? Yes. Our board had a meeting last night. They actually moved up the timeline on this. We've got to have a deal signed on this by Friday, not by next month, by Friday of this week. Those are all one's negative, one's positive. Those are 2 very important changes that you should know about before you start negotiating, right? If you know that the board has to make a decision by Friday, right? There's no point in you going, hey, if I give you 5 extra users, is there any way I can get a signature by Friday? Because they got to sign by Friday anyways. Make sure that you're asking them, has anything changed since we last spoke? Even if your meeting is at 3 o'clock in the afternoon and you checked in with them at 10 a.m., make sure, I know we talked at 10 a.m. before I was getting ready to head over. Has anything changed between 10 a.m. and now? Nope, everything's great. Good, no problem then. But if something's changed, you want to know about it. The world of sales has completely changed. Today's customer has access to more information. Today's customer has more choices. The business world needs you. Studies have shown that 84% of salespeople fail to achieve their goals. The old sales training, well, it just doesn't work today. I'd like to teach you how to take the stress out of selling in a way that's meaningful to you and your customers and get you 7 times more business. I'll show you how the perfect sales process works. I'm gonna walk you through everything from prospecting to closing the deal. I'm gonna show you how to determine your prospects' wants and their needs so you can build value in your solutions. You will learn how to handle any objection or complaint. I'm gonna show you how to connect with your customer so it's easy for them to buy from you. I've taught the best companies in the world and thousands of people just like you how to hit their targets. Selling is complicated. I'll simplify it for you. There's more competition than ever before. I'm gonna show you how to be number one. All of a sudden, your career, it's gonna make perfect sense, even if you've never worked in sales or the corporate world before. And for the advanced sales professionals, I'm gonna show you how to take things to the next level. Easton University is a new, simple, step-by-step process that's effective in any industry, large or small. You are about to become a certified master sales consultant. I'm Matt Easton, and this is Easton University.